Hello everyone, this is me Rishabh. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So here we have Mr. Jay. So let us have an interaction. Let us make a conversation with Mr. Jay. Hello Mr. Jay, how are you?
Hello everyone. I am fine. Thank you for inviting me on your YouTube channel, and I really appreciate the work which you are doing. Please continue this kind of work and to help your improving in your English language. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. So Mr. Jay, can you introduce yourself a little bit? Can you give your introduction about yourself or what are the things you're doing?
Sure. Let me start with my basic introductions. As you all know, my name is Jay, and I am working professional, working in a pharmaceutical company as a research scientist in a research and development unit. So we are the people who discovering a new medicine, a new molecule, and also vaccine for different indications. So we are working on cardiovascular, psychiatric, and oncology, and all different kind of indications. And we are the people who conducting clinical trials for from phase 1 to phase 4, clinical trials on human. Uh, I have total 13 or 14 years of experience in my field. Basically, I'm married. I have a daughter. She is 8 years old, and my wife is also working. She is a senior laboratory technician. So this is about my professional experience, and I have many different kind of hobbies like sports, swimming, and my nature is very friendly nature. I love to help people. So the kind of things which I love to do to interact with people, to knowing the people with different cultures and all, and that would be a very you know challenging for me to knowing culture from different countries, different people. So I have done every day Zoom meeting, 6:30 Indian time, and the people are joining from around the world. So we're talking with them in English and improving English every day. This is about my total background and my introduction. Thank you.
Okay, okay, fine. Thank you. You gave a very lovely introduction. So, can you explain about your work? That what is a specific work you do? Because I'm hearing your profession for the first time. If you can explain the things, can you explain the things?
Right, sure. So let me explain from the beginning because nowadays the people are very much concerned about the vaccine, right? So as this pandemic is ongoing, COVID-19 is ongoing, the scientists like me and like other scientists, we all are working together to discover uh, a vaccine to fight against this COVID-19. How can we overcome from this disease, right? It is a very difficult and very challenging task for any scientist from this world to discover a vaccine in such a short period of time. So my professional work is like that way that we are the people who conducting a clinical trials on humans. So the vaccine which is right now available in the market, they come through various phases of clinical trial. Phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 and phase 4. So in phase 1 clinical trial, they identify the safety of vaccine. Okay, so they run through a small number of people, small participants, less than 100 people are participants in clinical trial, and they discover safety. They prove this vaccine is safe for humans. Okay, after completion of the phase 1 study, they check the efficacy, the effectiveness of clinical study, effectiveness of the vaccine. You know how much antibody this vaccine able to produce in number of days and how many days this antibody stay in our body to fight against corona. Okay. So in phase 2 we are checking this and phase 3 we are checking both safety and efficacy both together, right? So in phase 2 there would be required a number of populations around 200 to 300, and in phase 3 above 300, you can say 1000 patients we can enroll. So all the vaccine available into the market, they have been through all these phases, phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3, and right now now available into the market. So people who are worried whether we need to take vaccine or not, or do we have any kind of side effect or not, they should not have to worry too much, because all the vaccine have passed all these three phases, and regulatory approval also they all received. So you should not worry about all this. Just go and take vaccine as early as possible so we can overcome from this pandemic. So this is my work, what I am doing.
Like, and a lot of people are saying that, okay, like in few of the rumors has been spread all over the like globe, that a lot of people are dying due to vaccine, like blood clotting is happening, and due to side effect a lot of people are getting COVID. So like a lot of
Right.
rumors are there. So what would you like to say in a lot of rumors which are going on in the market?
Okay, so let me clear some of the rumors. I cannot give answer all the rumors which are going into the market, but every drug has their own effect and side effect. If you intake any drug, it affect a particular organ where the organ is damaged. Okay, and it also have a little bit side effect. But you can ignore the side effect about that drug if you want to cure properly. The side effect is minimal. So the people are dying due to vaccination, that all are myth. They might have some other complications that not only related to vaccine. Many people dies after taking vaccinations, but that might be different several reason. Okay, and one more thing, while people asking like in that way, that the people after taking vaccinations they still affected by COVID-19. So it depends upon which vaccine you have taken, right? So every vaccine has different kind of efficacy. Suppose we are talking about Indian vaccines like Covaxin or another vaccine, AstraZeneca vaccine. So in that vaccine, they have two doses. So if you take first dose, uh, you do not have antibody immediately in your body after taking first dose of vaccine. It will take time to produce antibody in your body. So after taking first dose, you will get infected by any kind of virus. Okay, so your body automatically react, and you might get chance to have infection of COVID-19. Total number of days it required, that is 45 days after second dose, to provide to produce proper amount of antibody. So there is a difference between first dose and second dose. Initially that was 1 month. Now it was extended to 45 days, and after 45 days you have second dose, and the after second dose you still need to wait for 45 days to produce antibody in your body. Okay, so this is whole cycle. So you need to secure in this 90 days, and if you get infected in between 90 days, there might be chances because your body do not have proper amount of antibody, right? And one more thing, as you asking that people might get infected after second dose also, there might be chances to infection of second dose, right? Uh, because they do not have proper amount of antibody in their body, their immune system is not good enough, right? But the chances of severity is less. If you intake vaccine, the chances of severity of COVID is quite less. Thank you.
Okay, and I have heard that there is a lot of varieties of vaccine. Okay, like Covaxin, Covidsheld. Okay, and different countries are using different vaccine. If I talk about America, Australia, so every countries are using different vaccines. So have
Right.
like is the vaccine all made up of same thing, or they have only branded with a different name?
So there are several different combinations of vaccine available into the market, and it's all the vaccine at present which are available into the market, they are safe enough, and every pharmaceutical company and every country, they develop their vaccine by their different ways. So every strain has different kinds of antibody, right? Some people develop vaccine from monoclonal antibodies. Some people develop a vaccine from DNA level. So it is fine. Some vaccine, they are directly produced from the dead virus. Okay, so you can have any one vaccine, whichever available into the market. That is perfectly fine. So you should not worry which vaccine I need to take, which vaccine I need to not taking, right? So go for any vaccine which is available in your country. That is perfectly fine. Okay.
So like Mr. Jay, like what are the things you are doing right now in the lockdown? Because I think for a
Okay.
lot of people, lockdown is a great opportunity, and lot of people are just wasting their time this lockdown. So what are the things are you doing in this lockdown, or how you are utilizing your time, or what are the productive
Right.
things you are doing right now?
Yes. So as usual, I am mentioning you that I am quite busy person. I have lots of work to do as a professional, as I'm working in a pharmaceutical company and conducting clinical busy in clinical studies and clinical trials. So apart from this, I have find out one good activity which which keep myself very healthy and productive. Like I need to improve my English, so I've been part of English Globally group, and we have several different kind of people, you know, around the world. We have people from Iran, Afghanistan, you can say Philippines, Indonesia, New Jersey, Mexico, around the world, Argentina, you can say Bangladesh, Pakistan. Okay, and I I am doing every day Zoom meeting with all these people. Okay, so interacting with them on different topic. We design a different topic and we provide this platform for people to learning English. Okay, so by that way, I spending my time with my kids, my wife, and also watching TV and sports, which I love. So that's all I am doing in this lockdown.
Okay, fine. Yeah, that's fantastic. Like if you're learning English and improving yourself, so that is really great. Because in this lockdown
Right,
also, I'm taking this lockdown as an opportunity because every lockdown is an opportunity for me. Because last lockdown, I
right,
improved my English, I improved my communication skills. And this lockdown also, I'm trying to be more and more productive. I'm also trying to improve myself. Okay, I'm also trying to become good and more productive in my YouTube
right.
channel and in my English and in my communication skills.
Right. So it's really good that you make yourself busy by doing this kind of productive work, and that also improve your English. You know, each and every people they find out their own way to learning English, right? By this way, you communicating with so many different kind of people, and you are also learning what they are doing. And this is the best age when you can decide your career. You know, in
Exactly.
future, what you want to be after 11th and after 12, what you want to be. This is the best chance you can communicate with people like this way and improve your English, and you can grow with your YouTube channel also. Great, good job.
Yeah, thank you so much, like Mr. Jay Patel, and thank you so much for giving like the time. Okay, and like one more last question I have. Okay, this question I ask with every person. Like, what is the piece of advice you would like to give to our listener? Because to every guest, like whomever I bring in my YouTube channel or to whomever I talk, so one question I definitely ask them, like, what is the piece of advice you would like to give me, or you would like to give to our listener who are watching us right now?
Okay, so the best thing is that spend your time wisely. Okay, the advice from my you should have to spend your time very wisely. Once time will go, it will never come back. So utilize your time very wisely with your friends, with your family members, and rather than doing any other stuff, wasting your time in sleeping or something like that. Okay, so utilize your 24 hours, whichever you have every day. Every day, start with new beginning and think positive. That can change your mind. And in this pandemic, you should not worry what happened next. Just live today. Don't think about future. Don't think about past. Enjoy your life the way you are. That's my
Oh,
message.
okay, okay,
Thank
fine.
you.
Like you gave a very positive advice again, a very positive message for me and as like for our listener also. So thank you so much, Mr. Jay Patel, for coming and for giving your time. Now we are ending the podcast. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Thank you. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to be here along with you and talking with my professional life, my personal life. It was really great. And I really appreciate that you give me this opportunity. Thank you, Rishabh, and best of luck for your future. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much, sir.